Good morning, toddlers. This is Teacher Mary, and I thought we'd go on a little nature walk. Try to find some different things out in nature, get some fresh air. It's good for us. So, here is a little statue of a little squirrel holding an acorn. And peekaboo! Hello, little rabbit. You're covered in a blanket of plant. It's our aloe vera plant. It's beautiful. It's a blossom. Oh, something's been eating the aloe vera plant. Can you see the little holes in the plant? Is it right there? Something's been eating the plant. Let's see if we can find the culprit. Here we go. Hello, Tucker Turtle. I named our statue turtle Tucker Turtle, just after the book that we like to read in the classroom. Maybe we'll read that later. That'd be nice. Oh, what do I find over there? Let's get closer. Yes, there's a snail. Snail. Wonder what you could find if you go on a little nature hunt. And you can ask your mom and your dad, or your dad, or to go outside with you and this morning and see if you can find something in nature. I'd love to see what you find. And look at this, it's a little trail. It's going all the way up the tree. It's a water trail. What do you think? Suppose it made that? Huh. I see you. Peekaboo. I found you. Another snail. It's making a snail trail. This one's going down the tree. He made his way up. Now it's going down. Very slow moving. The rain. It must have rained last night or early this morning. You see the dewdrop, the water droplets on the leaves. The air's fresh outside. It's a beautiful morning. Well, ask your mom or your dad to take you outside and you go on a little nature hunt. And we'll talk later about it. All right. Have a good breakfast.